Hello guys, what is up? RHP meme is here,
And please be careful.
of course. And today, as we have promised, we are going to begin a series of tutorials.
Yes, we have promised you already a lot of times that we have promised you that we will start a series of tutorials in which we're going to show you a starter account, which is growing up.
Yes, a Smurf. You can say it. A Smurf.
Yes, it is a Smurf.
But we're going to give you tips for the beginners and.
Of course, we haven't done anything special on this account. As you can see, it's only about 2,000 might, so it's not anything incredible.
The only incredible is this one.
We have to tell you that this is also another free-to-play account. We just got Pumpkin Duke, as you can see, 3 of 9 already. With Stone Skin 1 of 5, and
that's the reason we chose this account.
Yes,
for
we
the
got them
tutorials.
only by luck. Actually,
Because of the Pumpkin Duke.
Pumpkin Duke, yes, was I think
Our first Pumpkin Duke.
And not only our first Pumpkin Duke, but it was the first roll on this account.
Yes.
We had, I think, 300 gems, and we rolled them, and the first roll was Pumpkin Duke. We got so excited because we always wanted an account with Pumpkin Duke. We finally got it.
Yes, that's
so,
right. So
let's begin from the buildings.
Yes.
Or from heroes. What do you think? RHP memes.
From the heroes, the only it's Succubus.
Okay, it's not anything special.
It's an executioner.
It's very essential to know that for Smurf accounts or for accounts like these that you want the heroes to be leveled up quickly, you need heroes that. So to grow this account quickly, you need shards.
Yes.
To get shards, you need
dungeons and Herbie monsters.
Herbie monsters probably more.
Yes, but in a low level, it's too difficult to do. Sorry.
Okay, but you can do Herbie monsters. Hey.
Okay.
You can also see that we are not there yet, unfortunately.
A4.
You will see this, I think, in about 2 or 3 episodes of this series. We will be able to get through A.
Yay!
You will see this. So, let us show you the champions first. Heroes. We have Pumpkin Duke 3 of 9, you saw that. Succubus, 24 level, not 2 of 9 Death Slash yet. Deadly Strike 1 of 5. Cyclops, 2 of 5 Berserk, okay. This has Revive.
Okay,
I actually rolled today that Executioner. He has 4 of 5 Stone Skin, it's okay. And 1 Serpent Queen 2 of 5. And another one, 3 of 5 Revitalize. Not that bad. So, you can see that the buildings are all level 1 except Town Hall and Relic Hall. You can see everything else is level 1. And vaults, of course.
Of course.
Hero Base 1. Army Camps 1. And you will also see that we don't have the resources yet. We haven't bought them. Because they give you a lot of might and then raiding becomes very difficult.
The truth is that we don't want to raise up our might because as the might getting higher,
the higher the might,
the more difficult the opponents will be at raid. So
yes, and we need gold, of course.
And mana most of the time.
Here is Guild Hall. We're not going to get a guild yet. Okay. Watchtower. We will see. And traps. Okay. We definitely need the traps.
Yes, that's for sure.
So the setup I want to say of this account is, I don't know.
But it's nice looking.
Yes.
It's good looking.
It's a square.
Okay, I just want to say something about the raids so that we can roll today.
Okay, the calendar here.
Yes, we're going to
get the paladin and
the druid. For the start, we're going for the thunder god.
For the thunder god, of course. Yes, I think that in the 15th episode,
we will see. You don't know.
Okay, maybe we will see.
Okay, we can start with some.
It depends on the time that we are going to concern on this account.
Yes.
So
it's too difficult at early levels to get started.
Okay, we have also school tests right now, so it will be a little bit difficult. Who cares about this? School is important.
Yes.
So
we can start with some raids.
With some raids, yes, of course. We have our magic already.
Nice.
Restoration level 5, Ars Fervor level 2.
I will let you raid for now.
Okay. So the next thing we're going to do on this account, we're not going to roll for some time the gems. We're going to keep them for the one builder. We have already told you that one builder is very important. So
there will be maintenance soon that will put the sixth hero base. If you have certain circumstances about, I think, Gold Vault and Mana Vault level 16, you can check it out at the forum. And they will give us a
Mana Vault and Gold Vault.
Yes, 60 level. 16
level.
Yes.
What happens when the vault reaches 16 level?
You can add a sixth hero base.
So you must have at least one Gold Vault 16 level.
I don't know for this.
I'm not sure if that.
And Town Hall, of course, level 16.
Town Hall, okay, but
okay, we will see.
Not vaults.
You can check it out at the forum.
Check it out.
Be careful.
Okay, we will see.
Okay, and they will give us about 100 gems.
So, as you can see, this opponent has two 20 level heroes. All of his heroes are 20. He probably doesn't know that he can upgrade them. It's okay, but as you can see, he has high level buildings. All of his might is gathered in these buildings, so we can easily defeat him. Throw our heroes over there. I forgot the name of the magic Ars Fervor to increase the attack damage a little bit.
We don't want
any hero to die because what was that?
Sorry about this.
The Seraphon woke up. So
Seraphon woke up, nice.
So we can easily defeat this one with only some magic. We don't want any heroes to die because we can easily do about 20 raids at once. We're not going to show you 20 raids, but it's okay.
A couple of them,
yes. Pumpkin Duke is a hero that will help you a lot in a Smurf account. He boosts up all of the heroes, so you can quickly finish the opponent. I think that in 3 of 9 ability of Pumpkin Duke,
gives about
20% of attack speed, attack damage, I think,
and
movement speed. Yes, is increased for 6 or 8.
I'm not sure.
Minutes. Okay, not minutes. Quarters of a minute. I don't know how to say it. So we got without any difficulty.
28,000
coins.
It's
coins, yes.
True.
And the other is bubble. Blue bubble. Okay.
Bubble.
Let's see. Okay, we have time.
Not that much.
Okay. And 12,000 blue. Okay, we can call them blue bubbles.
Okay. It's the coins and the blue bubbles
for us. Yes.
Let's do some arena.
Because we want to upgrade this thing, we need Relic Hall level 7. Level this up. For Ars Fervor level 3.
Yes.
Let's go for another raid. Okay, we don't want troops because they can kill you easily. Okay, we're looking for easy raids.
This is easy raids.
One. This is a very easy one, like the previous one. Okay,
all the opponent's heroes are gathered in
one place. Yes.
In one place, so that's you can easily kill them.
Kill them, yes. This is very beneficial for us. I opened the lane with Warwick, with Werewolf, because he has revive. And so if we don't care if he dies. Yes, he's also tank. Thank you, Rachel.
Welcome.
The same thing for one more time. I could also open the lane with Pumpkin Duke because he was going to proc a lot of times and his ability stacks. So the heroes would be like crazy and run like mice. Easily win for one more time.
Ability is Pumpkin Duke.
Pumpkin Duke's ability.
It's awesome because while he increases the attack rate of the heroes, they do more procs. And
yes.
And
it's like a berserk.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, Sogabush. Let's see if she can take down the tower.
Now it's about 2,000. Oh.
2,000. It's a lot of for
a tower.
For a tower, yes.
It depends on
she's only 1 of 9.
It depends on the opponents here.
Yes. We can also upgrade Executioner now. Here is 20 level. Okay.
Now that we have started the tutorial series, doesn't mean that we will not do our main accounts.
Yes, the next video will probably be
Herbie
Monsters, I think, with music. We will see. We're working on that. My PC is broken.
We're trying to find new ways to
upgrade ourselves.
Yes.
So okay. Now
let's do
one more
arena.
Or one more raid.
I don't think we have the time.
Okay. Let's do one arena. Arena
to show you
okay.
Pumpkin Duke.
Yes, Pumpkin Duke in the arena. Yes. I think we're going for. Okay, let's upgrade first Executioner. Or we should go for this one. I don't know.
Okay, let's Deadly Strike.
Let's keep him. Don't have the gold. It's okay. Another time. So let's go for arena. Let's try this guy.
Yes.
Pumpkin Duke. There, Succubus. Of course. In the front, Werewolf. And
to take the aggro.
This and this.
And now I think it's an easy win.
I also think it's an easy one. Oh, Pumpkin Duke goes on the front. He runs very quickly. He's going to proc a lot of times. If Executioner doesn't stun him. Okay,
3 times.
Easy win.
Pumpkin Duke is awesome.
I think the best hero. But I also heard that they're going to nerf him. If they nerf him, I don't think that the game will be so exciting.
It's good for the ones that don't have him.
Yes, of course. We don't have him, so we shouldn't speak. So it's an easy win.
Yes, but even if that nerf, he still will be a very good hero.
So let me also tell. Okay, I pressed that by accident. About Herbie Masters, I wanted to say that you need heroes that do damage widely
to a lot of enemies.
Yes.
Like Thunder God, Champion,
yes.
Immorteb,
yes. Oh my God, I'm going to farm him. To farm him. Look at this. You have. I'm going to farm him on my main. You will see. So, Cyclops is one of these. Okay, we only have one of them for the time being, but we're going to change that because we want to win to get through Wave 8.
In a video, we're going to show you tips about Herbie.
Not Wave 8, Herbie Masters 8. Okay. So
that's all for now.
Yes, I think that's all for now. If there's any for training center, we choose hunters, and then centers, and then shotgun darts. I have to advise you that the best thing that you can do on a starting account on training center is to get only one lane upgraded. Yes. You can upgrade your griffins, fairy dragons, and pyromancers later if you want it. But for starting account, it is much better to get a single lane to upgrade. We prefer hunters and centers. You will see on the next videos. Okay, so is there anything that we want to say? I don't think so.
That's all for now.
That's all for now, yes.
See you on the next video.